Now, every blog page, you can't edit with Elementor, every normal blog page. So let's just start with the normal blog page. I'll go down to my appearance, customize. I want to tell my WordPress that this page is a blog page. So I hope you are seeing my screen.
Yes.
So I'll come down to home page setting. Home page setting. Now,
What sound is that?
what do you say?
One sharp sound.
Sharp
It's
sound.
distracting. Mm.
Maybe I have to mute everyone. I think it's from Kenny's part. Now, if you are building a pure blog that there's nothing, there's no home page, no about us, just a normal blog, it is advisable to use your latest posts. Now, we have a static page. This website you are currently building is a static page. If you are building a pure blog without home page, without about and all that, you have to use your latest post. Your latest post simply means you keep on scrolling and scrolling, you won't see the end of the page. The more you put posts, the more it goes downward. Just like Facebook now, Facebook, there is no way you can see the end of Facebook once you're on your own page. Are we there?
Yes.
Also, Twitter, there's no way you can see the end of Twitter. The more you scroll, Linda Ikeja blog too is a non-static page. But now we are not, we are just building a general page and adding blocks to it. So let's use a static page. Now, under this part, this is where you now choose and determine which part of your page will be your own page. Now we are using this as our own page. So now, the post page simply means whenever you write a post, where do you want it to go? Now, let's put blog. I want to create a blog. We have created the page, blog. You know how to create a page now?
Yes, yes.
Now, we'll come down to, we want to tell our WordPress that this is a blog. We'll come down to appearance, come down to customize. Are we there?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
come to your home page settings, this one. Go down to home page settings, which is this. Now, if you choose a static website, if I will advise you to just, if you are building a pure blog website, it should be on a static, on your latest post. But if you're adding other pages to it, I will advise to go with a static website, a static page. So this part is where you will choose where will be your home page. So this is, now this part is where you will choose which page you want to be your blog page. Now let's use this as our blog page. Now, it's not compulsory you name this page a blog page. You get? It's not all sites that you go, you will see blog. Some people can name it as news. So different stuff. So it's not compulsory you use the name as blog. So let's use blog and let's click publish. Now let me visit our blog page and see what we have there. This is what we have here on this blog page. Currently, we just have only one post, hello world. Are we there? Now, how can I add posts to my page, to my blog? You can even do some little settings on your blog if you want to on the page. Just come down to edits and do some little page setup. Remember, you can't edit this your blog with Elementor. Let's leave all this. Let's go down straight to. Now, I want to add a post. Let's go down to post and see the numbers of posts we have on our site. We have this. So let me delete this post. I don't need it. Just go down to just trash. To delete any post, you click on trash. Now, let me refresh my page and see. Temitope, I hope you are following.
Yes, I am.
Now, our blog is empty. Our blog page is empty. Now, let me add a post to our blog. Now, there's what we refer to as categories. you can have different categories on your blog. Like some people might have you are posting on health. Health is a category. You are posting on technology is a category. You are posting on
education.
And now let me quickly show you how to create your categories. You come down to categories. Nancy, hope you are there.
Yes, I'm here.
Now we have two categories here. This one is just normal. You can't delete this one, uncategorized. Uncategorized simply means there are some posts you will post that don't have a particular category. It will fall under this uncategorized. We have travel as part of post. Let's create other categories. We have let's say social media. Just click on enter. It will add automatically. Are we following? Let's say health.
What if I'm using my phone? How do I click on enter?
What again?
As I'm using my phone.
Sports.
Nancy, what category?
Technology. Business. Money. Business.
Okay. Music.
How to add category? Are we there? Now let's create a post and see how it goes. Now under your post, click on add new post. Let me copy this title of this post. Now on your post, we have what we refer to as title. Your post must have a title. Now let's add a title to our post. Now this next part is where you will add your write-up. Your blog deals with title and the normal write-up. Something like this, the title. This is where you will add your this thing. You can also add your image if you want to add your image, where you add your artificial image. But let's add the total text first before we add our image. Do we get that? Kenny, hope you are following. Now let's come down to posts. This is blog and this is post. Let's come down to post and do other settings. Now this is stick to the top of the blog. Simply means if I add any other post, if I click on stick to the top, it means anybody that come down to my blog will see this post first. If I post any other post after this post will be at the very top. It simply means stick to the top. Are we there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now let's leave this template. Now your categories. Which category should we add this one into? Now let's just add
business.
Let's use business. Right? You can add some topic, some content can fall under two categories. You get
text.
So you can also add tag. We all know the meaning of tag, right? Your hashtag and the rest of that. Are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now the featured image. Let's add image to our Kini. Now one thing I advise with blog is this. Always allow your image to be of the same same size. Don't just put random image on your blog. It won't make it look nice. Now this SRT is like how many words do you want to show? How many lines and all that? You can leave these settings. You can allow discussion, allow comments, allow ping back and drag. You can allow discussion on your blog. I think that is that for this part. Let's publish and see what it is. Hope you are following.
Yes.
Following we are.
Now, this is my first blog. Are we getting it? This is my blog, the first blog I have. If I click on read more, it will show me the old parts of the test. We see that now. I can also comment. Let's assume I comment nice, right, post comments. Now, where will I see these comments? How will I get notification that somebody has done that?
We are that drop down in here.
Now this is it here. We have comments here. After your page, we have comments. It will show you the number of people that have commented on your blog. Are we getting it? It will also show their email address too. You can unapprove the post. If I click on approve now, it will delete the post from my blog. Do we get that?
Yes.
We understand that. So let me add one more blog and see how the whole stuff will look like.